So hello guys, good evening. I hope you all are doing really fine. Well, I'm doing really fine as well. So today in this video we are going to learn how do we sign in on VPN. So for now the best VPN I suggest you is Turbo VPN, which is totally free. Not totally free, you have to pay for some servers, but kind of free and fast. So you can also find this on Play Store. So go to your Turbo VPN or any VPN you are using. At the top left corner you can see the three lines. Just click on that and you can see the sign in option. After going to the sign in, click on create account and give your email and type your password. Now you have been signed in like really easily. As I told you, Turbo VPN is really easy to use. So the signing in process is done and you are part of Turbo VPN. This is your account and username. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you like our video. If you like our video, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for further more videos like this. Thank you for watching.